Okay, let's make a noodle salad. So that's about 4 tablespoons of peanut butter that you slowly put in the bowl, and then put the peanut butter away like so, and add some honey, about 2 tablespoons, maybe 3 of honey. Well, 2.5. And then add 5 tablespoons of soy sauce. Something like that. Just glug it on in. And a couple of shots of rice wine vinegar. About 2 tablespoons, I guess. Something like that. And then some lime juice. Squeeze 1 lime. Some chopped garlic. And some ginger and cayenne. About a teaspoon of ginger, or not a teaspoon, about a half a teaspoon of ginger and a half teaspoon of cayenne. And just mix that all up. And then once you get that all mixed up, you can start adding ingredients, or salad stuff, if you ever get it mixed up. It will mix up eventually, I promise. And then you can throw cabbage in there. That's about 1/4 of a head of cabbage. And then some carrots and some cucumber and some onion. Get it all in there. And I'll put peas. Just thawed peas. They were frozen. Thawed them out and threw them in there. And then realize that you don't have a big enough bowl. Then put your pasta in there. I used fettuccine pasta. Thought about using spaghetti, but I used fettuccine. And then just mix it all up and let that marinate. I couldn't resist having a little bit of it. It's good like that. But the onion was a little bit strong, so I think that's going to take care of itself after marinating a while. But it's a good one. I like it. And you just put it in a thing, put it in the fridge, and eat it when you get hungry. Highly recommend.